folks, today I'm going to make a chickpea curry. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. It's really easy to make and really tasty. And my finishing touch is putting the cauliflower in. It really just gives it that extra yum. So let's get into the kitchen. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any new videos coming out. Thank you very much for watching. All I've got left to say is stay fit, stay vegan, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!